Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to study the CR equation in polar coordinate. Last lecture we have already studied the CR equation in Cartesian coordinate. Now, before studying the CR equation in polar form, we should know what is a polar form. In x and y coordinate, we represent x, y, but in polar form the coordinate are in form of this cylinder where this is the center and 0 is the axis, then this axis is represented by z if the polar Cartesian coordinate in 3D, and then the polar form, this is the r, this is r, and this is the theta, the angle is theta. So in Cartesian coordinate we can write that E x y z is a point. In polar form we have to write r, theta and z. Z is the axis, not a complex number. And for 2D we will consider it as r and theta. Now if we are going to consider about the z in complex form, z is equal to x plus iota y is a complex number. For polar form we assume that let x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Substituting both the x and y value in z, we have z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. Okay, so z is equal to, we can say in a polar form, z is equal to r e to the power iota theta. This is the complex number in polar form. Now we are going to study about the CR equation in complex or polar form. Then the CR equation is del u by del r is equal to 1 over r del v over del theta and del u over del theta is equal to minus of r del v over del r. We have to prove these two equations. Okay, so by the complex function we note that fz is equal to u plus iota v and z is equal to this in polar form. So substituting this value from equation 1, we can say that f r e to the power iota theta is equal to u plus iota v. This is our equation A. Now we are partially differentiating equation A with respect to r. Now partial differentiating equation A with respect to r, we get f dash r e to the power iota theta, function derivative of function, into the partial differentiation of this term with respect to r is e to the power iota theta. It is treated as a constant and r is 1 is equal to del u over del r plus iota del v over del r. Okay, this is equation 1. Now again partially differentiating equation A, partially differentiating equation A with respect to theta. So what we have, f dash derivative of function r e to the power iota theta, and now the r is treated as a constant and theta is the main function. in which respect we are differentiating. So the value is r iota and e to the power iota theta is equal to del u over del theta plus iota del v over del theta. This is equation 2. Now by using equation 1 and 2, replacing the value of function, just replacing the value of the function, this function derivative, just replacing the value of this derivative in both the equation 1 and 2, what we get just multiplying by iota r, we just multiply this iota r to this term. That means we will have r iota into del u over del r plus iota del v over del r is equal to this term, because we are replacing this complete value by this equation 1 in equation 2. So replacing the value of this as well as e to the power iota theta, we replace this partial derivative which is equal to and del u over del theta plus iota del v over del theta. Now from this equation we just multiply iota, we will have r iota del u over del r minus r del v over del r is equal to del u over del theta plus iota del v over del theta. Now comparing both sides from this equation, for complex as well as for the real part, we can have our CR equation. This compare the both sides from real and imaginary part, you will have the CR equation for polar form. For any doubt, please feel free to call me or contact me at this number. This is my WhatsApp number as well as my personal number.